In the heart of the allotment, Peter moves with a purpose, never slowing down. It's as if time itself is racing alongside him. He stacks, lifts, cuts, and fits the wood with an instinctive grace, each piece finding its rightful place effortlessly. The greenhouse sides stretch along the paths, glass frames springing up from the earth in no time. Roof beams slide into position, screws turn with precision, and doors materialize where there were none just moments earlier. This is 20 years of dedication, distilled into swift movements. Seasons merge as Peter works tirelessly. Nearby, Ray, at 86, offers a calm contrast, sitting steadily while handing Peter tools in perfect rhythm. A saw, a drill, a level, always at the right moment, no words needed. Peter acknowledges with a nod, then returns to his task, measuring and cutting with unmatched focus. Finally, the rush subsides. The view expands to reveal over 80 greenhouses, each paired with a shed, forming a serene, orderly allotment, complete and brimming with potential.